Hiccups can be annoying, unpredictable, and impossible to stop. But what if I told you there's a secret one-chew cure hiding in your kitchen? No water, no holding your breath, just instant relief. The answer? Fresh dill. This simple herb contains natural compounds that relax the diaphragm and calm nerve spasms, the real cause of hiccups. All you have to do is chew a few fresh dill leaves, and within seconds, your hiccups could be gone. It works fast, it's 100% natural, and best of all, you probably already have it in your fridge. Next time hiccups strike, forget the old tricks and try dill instead. Follow for more mind-blowing health hacks.